What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today I'm going to be making a steak competition video between some really awesome steak seasonings to see which one is the best. But that's not what this video is about. When I got ready to do this video, I wanted to cook the steaks on my grill grates, and I realized, man, these things are terribly filthy. Set them down here on the bottom of the PK and mowed the grass a few times, and you know the pine trees did their thing with the pollen or whatever. Long story short, man, these things are in bad shape. Take a look. They're not hot. Believe it or not, I have no nitrile gloves. I have run out. Just terrible. Yeah, but as you can see, just in terrible shape, not anything you want to cook on. So today we're going to do a how to clean your grill grates video. I hope you enjoy. Disgusting. Cat hair. Should be ashamed of myself. It's all right. We're gonna snap them back. All right, so definitely a long way still to go, but slightly better. So we'll go ahead and get on to the next phase of this thing. All right, so we've got a few select tools here. We've got some grill grate cleaner. It's all natural. You know, it means what it means. I got scrub pad. I've got some tools that are by grill grate. These are made to go in between the troughs. And this is just a scraper tool that they make for scraping. And it's got a really hefty handle on it. Let's go ahead, let's get some spray on these things and see how it does. All right, so we're just gonna let this soak on for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna start giving it the old scrub-a-dub. See how it does. If you don't have grill grate cleaner, you know, obviously use whatever cleaner you want. I think that with the grill grate cleaner, since it is all natural, I think you can just do it on your grill and then just cook it off. You know, just put some coals under it, burn it off. But since this is in such bad shape, I just wanted to do it where I could spray it off with a water hose, get it all off of there, even all the grit and grime. We will be reseasoning this, so stick around to see how we reseason these grates. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good soak. Go ahead and get what we can get off the top of the grates with this heavy duty scraper. That's got all the major grit off of the top. We'll get in now and hit it up with this little doodad right here. All right, let's spray that off with a water hose and see where that's gotten us to. There's some real good stuff coming off of there. Looking better, better, better. All right, so we're gonna hit it up with the spray again, and then we're gonna hit it with the scrubber. So I feel like this scrub pad is definitely a little extra step that you probably don't really even need to do. But you know, I've had these things for a while. It's the first time I've ever cleaned them, so I'm gonna do it right. As far as just in between cooks, probably not necessary. The good news is that these Blackstone scrub pads fit right in between there with just a little bit of pressure, so they're gonna do a great job of cleaning it. This will be my final step. It ain't that serious. And so one little last scrub across the top of the cooking surface. That way when we reseason it, it takes really well. That looks pretty daggum good. Definitely not perfect, but close enough. Give a little love to the backside. I don't know if y'all know this or not, but you can use this backside like a griddle. I'm gonna do some smash burgers on this thing coming up. That's enough for the backside. Not perfect, but better. All right, so as far as my cleaning process on these things, that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna season them up and get that non-stick back on them. Let's go ahead, get these things heated up, cleaned off, and reseasoned. The key with using one of these torches, with one of these aluminum grills, is to keep it moving. You don't want to hold it in one place for too long. We'll let those continue to catch up. Okay, so our charcoals have got nice and hot. I want to cover just sort of enough to really heat them up. I got enough charcoals in here for half my grill because I'm fixing to do those steaks, and we're going to do a offset cooking method on the steaks. So just enough to get it nice and hot. That way we can season. Let that do its thing. All right, so as you can see, we've got a lot of stuff cooking off of those grates as well. We're gonna give that a few more minutes, but they're getting nice and hot, getting ready to season. So we're almost done with the seasoning video, and then we'll be starting the steak video. So y'all make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you know when these videos come out. I'm always putting out content. I've been doing it for a few years now. You can count on me to always provide you with something cool to watch, barbecue, cooking related. Thanks for everybody that's sticking around watching this video today. We'll see y'all here in just a minute when we're seasoning up these grates. Okay, so the secret to seasoning the grates is just use an onion. You just cut it in half, you just rub the grates with it. And I can't quote all of the sciencey stuff, but there's some natural compounds in onion that when heated form a natural non-stick barrier on your grates. And so we're gonna be slapping this onion onto these grates. Get her done, baby. And it's gonna smell really good. You just wanna keep going over it back and forth for a little while. But this will definitely help with our non-stick surface. That smells so good. If you're not hungry, this will make you hungry. This will make your neighbors hungry. Okay, so carnivores, that concludes our how to clean your grill grates and reseason them naturally. I hope that you enjoyed this video and benefited from it. If you've got some tips and tricks on how to better clean or season your grill grates, let me know down in the comment section below. Y'all come see me over at American Smoked Carnivores on Facebook. I'm in there every day. It's a great group. See you in there. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.